Hello, good morning. My name is Erika Escudero Benitez. I am going to talk about the exercise in my college. I have different protagonists. Let's start. He is writing a poem for his girlfriend. They are building a house. Camila is teaching French at a university. He is watching TV her husband. They are playing football. She is sleeping in the bathroom because she is tired. He is walking with his dog. Sophia is buying a new car. He is singing in a concert. And last, they are running in the park, but he's happy because he's running with his wife. Thank you.